Okay. हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु
हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु
दीनबंधु जगतपते
दीनबंधु जगतपते
गोपेश गोपिका कांता
गोपेश गोपिका कांत
राधा कांत नमोस्तुते
राधा कांत नमोस्तुते
तप्त कांचन गौरांगी
तप्त कांचन गौरांगी
श्री राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी
श्री राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी
वृषभानुसुते देवी
वृषभानुसुते देवी
प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये
प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये।
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
जय कृष्ण चैतन्य
प्रभु नित्यानंद
प्रभु नित्यानंद
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद।
हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम
हरे रामा
राम राम हरे हरे
राम राम हरे हरे
हरे Krishna, all of you. So what we were in our 41st we completed, right?
Yes. Yes, Mataji.
42nd shloka. We have another one more shloka. Friday we'll finish. Right? Are you all happy?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. All of you are happy means I'm happy too. So quickly, anyone can tell the 41st shloka?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Madhav.
तस्मात् त्वमिन्द्रियाणि यादव नियम्य भरतर्षभ पाप्मानं प्रजह्येनं ज्ञानविज्ञाननाशनम्.
Okay, very good. Yes, Prema Bhakti.
तस्मात् त्वम् इन्द्रिया यादव नियम्य भरतर्षभ पाप्मानं प्रजह्येनं ज्ञानविज्ञाननाशनम्.
Perfect. Pujyaswati. Tasmatvam Indriyanyadav. Tasmatvam Indriyanyadav. Niyamya Bharatarshava. Papmanam Prajahyenam. Jnana Vijnana Nashanam. Okay. So we'll go to 42. Same, it is going to be like similar shloka. Then we'll quickly do a revision and then, okay? Indriyani.
Indriyani
Parani. Paranyahur. Very good. Indriyani Paranyahur.
Indriyani Paranyahur. Indriyani Paranyahur.
Indriyani Paranyahur.
Indriyani Paranyahur.
Very good. Prema Bhakti.
Indriyani Parayahur.
Paranyahur.
Paranyahur.
Very good, Madhav.
इंद्रियाणि पराण्याहुर
Father is sitting in the space and attending the class. Right? Space, right?
Yes.
Surjaswati. Indriyani paranyahur.
इंद्रियाणि पराण्याहुर
Okay. Next line. Indriyebhya
इंद्रियेभ्यः
param.
परम
Indriyebhya param.
इंद्रियेभ्यः परम
Manaha.
मनः मनः
Indriyebhya param manaha.
इन्द्रियेभ्यं परं मनः इन्द्रियेभ्यं परं मनः
Indriyebhya
इन्द्रियेभ्यः
param manaha.
परं मनः परबलः
Very good. Indriyebhya param manaha.
इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः
Indriyebhya. Indriyebhya param manaha.
इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः
Very good. Indriya paranya.
इन्द्रियाणि परं याहुः
Indriyani paranyahur.
इन्द्रियाणि पराण्याहुर् इन्द्रियाणि परायाहुर्
Indriyebhya param manaha.
इन्द्रियेण परं मनः इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः
Indriyebhya
इन्द्रियेभ्यः
param manaha.
परं मनः
Okay, one more time. Indriyani paranyahur.
इन्द्रियाणि परायाहुर् इन्द्रियाणि परायाहुर्
Indriyebhya param manaha.
इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः
Okay, Ujjaswati, tell the two lines.
माताजी इंद्रिय
Indriyani
इंद्रियाणि
paranyahur.
पराण्याहुः
Indriyebhya
इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं
param manaha. Very good, Madhav.
इन्द्रियाणि पराण्याहुः इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः
The Prema Bhakti.
इन्द्रियाणि परायाहुर् इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः
Very good. Raj Kishore want to tell? Indriyani paranyahur. Bolo. Indriyebhya param manaha. Indriyebhya param manaha. Okay, very good. Manasas. Manasastu. Manasastu.
मनसस्तु
Para.
परा
Manasastu para.
मनसस्तु परा
Buddhir.
बुद्धिर
Manasastu para buddhir.
मनसस्तु परार बुद्धिर
Very good. Indriyani paranyahur. Indriyebhya param manaha. Manasastu para buddhir.
मनसस्तु परा बुद्धि बुद्धिर मनसस्तु परार बुद्धिर
मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर
मनसस्तु परार बुद्धिर
परा
मनसस्तु परार बुद्धिर
परा बुद्धिर
परार बुद्धिर
मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर
मनसस्तु परार बुद्धिर मनसस्तु परार बुद्धिर
Very good. Okay, one more time. Indriyani paranyahur.
इंद्रियाणि परायाहुर इंद्रियाणि परायाहुर
इंद्रियेभ्य परम मनः.
इंद्रियेभ्यः परं मनः इंद्रियेभ्यः परं मनः
मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर.
मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर् मनसस्तु परार बुद्धिर्
परा बुद्धिर.
परा बुद्धिर् परा बुद्धिर्
Very good. Who want to tell 3 lines?
यस माताजी
Okay, prema bhakti. Yeah. Let's go.
इंद्रियाणि परायाहुर इंद्रियेभ्यः परं मनः मनसस्तु मनसस्तु परायाद
परा बुद्धिर.
बुद्धिर्
परा बुद्धिर. Very good. Okay, Madhav.
इंद्रियाणि परान् बुद्धिर्
इंद्रियाणि
इंद्रियाणि
परण्याहुर.
परण्याहुर् इंद्रियेभ्यः परं मनः मनसस्तु
परा बुद्धिर.
परा बुद्धिर्
Okay, Ujjaswati.
यस माताजी इंद्रियाणि
इंद्रियाणि परण्याहुर.
इंद्रियाणि पराण्याहुर् इंद्रियेभ्यः
इंद्रियेभ्य
परं
परम मनः. मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर.
मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर्
Okay. Yes. Vraj Kishore want to tell?
Yes.
Okay. इंद्रियाणि परण्याहुर. इंद्रियेभ्य परम मनः. Very good. मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर.
मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर्
Okay, perfect. Okay, we'll do the fourth last line. Yo
यो
buddhe.
बुद्धि
Yo buddhe
यो बुद्धि
paratas. Yo buddhe paratas.
यो बुद्धि परत
Tu
तू
saha
सह
paratastu saha.
भरतस्तु सह
Very good. Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
यो बुद्धिर् परसस्तः
Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
यो बुद्धिर् परस्तु सः
Okay. Indriyani paranyahur.
इंद्रियाणि पराण्याहुर्
इंद्रियेभ्य परम मनः.
इंद्रियेभ्यः परं मनः
मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर.
मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर्
यो बुद्धे परतस्तु सः.
यो बुद्धिर् परसस्तु सः
यो बुद्धेः परतस्तु सः. परतस्तु सः.
Paratastu
Ujjasati repeating. Okay. Manasastu para buddhir.
Manasastu
Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
Very good. Indriyani paranyahur.
Indriyani paranyahur. Indriyani paranyahur.
Indriyebhya param manaha.
Indriyebhya param manaha.
Manasastu para buddhir.
Manasastu para buddhir.
Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
Paratastu saha.
Very good. One more time. Indriyani paranyahur.
Indriyani paranyahur.
Indriyebhya param manaha.
Indriyebhya param manaha. Indriyebhya param manaha.
Manasastu para buddhir.
Manasastu para buddhir. Manasastu para buddhir.
Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
Yo buddhe paratastu saha. Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
Very good. Madhav, tell the full shloka.
Indriyani paranyahur. Indriyebhya param manaha. Manasastu para buddhir. Yo buddhe
Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
saha.
Very good. Yes, Prema Bhakti.
Indriyani paranyahur. Indriyebhya param manaha. Manasastu para buddhir. Yo buddhir parasastu saha.
Very good. Urjaswati.
Yes, Mati.
Indriyani
Indriyani
paranyahur.
paranyahur.
Indriyebhya param manaha. Manasastu para buddhir. Yo buddhe paratastu saha. Okay. Braj Kishore.
Yes, Mataji.
Bolo. Indriyani paranyahur. Indriyebhya param manaha. Manasastu para buddhir.
Manasastu para buddhir.
Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
Yo buddhir
Paratastu saha. Very good. Okay. Everyone together now. Indriyani paranyahur. Indriyebhya param manaha.
Indriyebhya param manaha.
Manasastu para buddhir.
Manasastu para buddhir.
Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
Yo buddhe paratastu saha.
Okay, now I'm going to tell a small story to all of you. Want a story? Yeah?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
There was an elephant, very strong elephant. Elephants are really strong and powerful, right?
Yes,
All of you have seen
Mataji.
an elephant? How many of you seen an elephant? Not at the zoo, indirectly. Okay, all of you seen an elephant, right?
Yes,
all of us.
Mataji.
Yeah. Where did you see Prema Bhakti, an elephant?
Srirangam.
Srirangam in the temple. Very good. Yes, I also saw somewhere. And also Mayapur, we had elephant. 2 elephants. Yeah. Yes. Vraj, where did you see?
In the Mayapur.
Mayapur. Yes. We had 2 elephants in Mayapur, Lakshmi Priya and Vishnu Priya. They are not there now. They went to the forest because they were growing. So it was not safe. So they have to give to the forest. So these elephants were very powerful, right? They can remove the tree and throw the trees. They can throw the people like anything, and the people might die also.
I have seen elephants
You have seen an elephant?
in the phone and in the zoo and yeah. And in
Huh?
India as well.
In India, right? Yes. Not much in London, right? Not much London. You can see elephant in the road.
No, I saw on the zoo and I saw on phone.
Okay, on the phone and zoo. Yes. Madhav, where did you see? India.
Zoo.
Zoo. Okay, zoo. So in India, what happened? They keep the elephants in the temples. The deities, the temples, the elephants do service for the deities. They always have some service. In Mayapur also, so the 2 elephants, Lakshmi Priya and Vishnu Priya, they used to carry small deities of Radha Madhav around the campus as a procession every week Saturday.
I saw 2 statues of elephants as well.
Huh?
Saw 2 statues of elephant well.
Yeah. They were very small deities they used to take, but not now. So the elephant in many South Indian temple, they have some service. But they don't know that they are doing service, right? Do they know? Who is directing them? The Mahout. Mahout is the one, the driver who takes care of the elephant, right? He only directs the elephant. He has to go like this, turn like this, go straight and everything. So who is powerful than the elephant now? Huh?
Caretaker.
Yeah, the caretaker, the Mahout, the driver. He is sitting on the top of the elephant and telling the elephant, go here and go there. So he is bigger than supreme than the elephant, right? But the Mahout also gets the instruction where to go from the minister, right? Whoever is taking care of the caretaker also, whoever is taking care of the caretaker, if it is in the temple authority will tell the Mahout, okay, take the elephant here, take the elephant there, there is a program here, right? The Mahout will not go on himself. So who is bigger than the Mahout now? The minister. The minister or in charge, whoever we call. Yes. And the minister will not tell. He also takes instruction from somebody else, right?
Yes, Mataji.
The king, we keep it as a king, okay? The king tells the minister that we should arrange a program like this and we should have an elephant procession and we should have all those things. So who is superior here?
Care.
The caretaker? The king.
King.
Yes, the king is superior, right? Yes or no? All of you understood? The elephant is strong and there is an elephant driver, and then who is taking instruction from the minister, and above the minister is the king, right? Similarly, Krishna is giving in this example. What are the things? The senses, all we do a lot of activities. The hands does activity, right? All of our hands goes and takes things, we eat. But who is directing the senses? The mind,
Krishna.
right? The Krishna is top. The mind, first instruction is given by the mind. Okay, the mind is telling the elephant, that Mahout, that do this and do that. Take this object, keep it here. Okay, don't take this object. So all this thing is given by the mind. And who is above? Above the senses is the mind, and the mind is guided by the minister. Who is the minister here? The intelligence. Intelligence knows what is right and what is wrong, right? Can you touch a hot pot? Will you touch a hot pot? No, right? Intelligence tells, no, 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 please don't touch that because your hands will get burnt, right? So intelligence knows what to do. Above the mind is intelligence, and above the intelligence is the soul, the king, right? The soul is what we are. All of us are soul. But above soul, who is above soul?
Paramatma.
Paramatma, Krishna. Now comes Krishna. So Krishna directs the soul. Soul directs the intelligence. Intelligence directs the mind. And the mind directs the senses. Right? All of you understood? Who is superior? Who is bigger than? Even though the elephant is strong, but he has to
Basically,
listen to the driver, right? Mahot.
the guest is Parma. So basically,
Yeah, the king. The above the king is the Paramatma. The king is the soul. So this shloka tells about that. Indriyani is senses. Above that is Indriyebhya. Above that is Manaha, mind. Above Mana is Buddhir, right? That's what we learned up now. This shloka, I'm just giving in an example. This is an important shloka. Okay. Above Manaha is tu Saha. That is the soul itself. All of us. All of you understood? Who can tell me in the order? Senses, mind, intelligence, soul, and Krishna. Who can tell me in this order? Yes, Urjaswati. I am not. You're not muted. You're mute. Unmute. You have to mute. You're muted.
yes.
Yes, go on. I couldn't hear you.
I'll just say them, but I don't know it in order.
Okay, try.
Paramatma, soul,
Hmm.
senses, and strongness. The elephant strong. I know.
5 are there.
I just remember.
Okay, anyone else can tell me? Yes, Madhav.
Mind, intelligence, soul, Krishna.
What about the 5th one? That is the beginning one, the senses. Okay, first is senses, mind, intelligence, soul, and Paramatma. Very good, yeah, very good. Madhav, Prema Bhakti? Want to try?
Senses, mind, intelligence, soul, Krishna.
Very good. Okay. Braj Kishore, want to try? Okay. So one more time, all of us will tell. Okay. First is bolo. Senses. All of us. Mind. Intelligence. Then soul. Krishna. Okay. Indriyani. Manaha. Buddhi. Atma. Paramatma. Okay. Indriyani, Manaha, Buddhi, Atma, Paramatma. Okay, this was in Sanskrit. But even if you remember in English, it is okay. Okay. So you have to remember the elephant, right? The senses might be very strong, but the elephant always has to be under the control of the Mahot, right? Yes, Prema, you want to say something?
We'll go on this.
Okay. Yes, Surjaswati, what are you telling?
If the elephant doesn't get controlled, it will go on loose.
Yeah, it will go here and there and it might kill people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
So
start-
elephant needs somebody. So the senses always need the mind to be given direction, and the mind needs the intelligence to be given direction, and the intelligence should take direction from the soul, and the soul should take instruction from Krishna, Paramatma.
Yeah.
Okay? All of you understood this shloka? This is an important shloka. Yes. Very
When I study and I don't know what to do, then I'll just write wrong answer if I'm not like.
Okay. Okay, next week or next time Urjaswati will make a drawing about this and bring it, okay? Senses, mind, intelligence, all of you can also make a drawing and bring. Senses, mind, intelligence, soul, Paramatma. Soul, you just can mark it and put your name. And Paramatma, you can mark a star and put Krishna's name. Okay, next time. Make a small drawing, simple drawing and bring. Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. Very good. Next time, Krishna is going to continue that above the mind. The Paramatma we didn't have in this shloka, right? The next shloka will be including the Paramatma also.
Can we make any animal?
Huh?
Can you make any animal?
Senses. No, yeah, you can make any animal, but elephant is very powerful, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So what we will do from 35 to 41. Anyone can tell the shloka? 35 is Arjuna Vacha. 36. Start from 36. Anyone ready?
Mataji.
Yes, Remember.
Arjuna uvacha atakena prayuktoyam papam charati purusha anichannapi vamsneya balativa niyojitaha. श्रीभगवानुवाच कामयेष क्रोधयेष रजोगुणसमुद्भवः महाशनो महापाप्मा विद्येनमिह वैरिणम् धूमेन व्रियतेर्वह्निर्यथादर्शोल्मलेन च यतोद्भ्रेण वृतो गर्भस्तथा तेनेदमावृतम् आवित्रं ज्ञानमेतेन ज्ञानिनो नित्यवैरिणं कामरूपेण कौन्तेय दुष्पुरेण नीलेन च इन्द्रियाणि मनोबुद्धिर् अस्याधिष्ठानमुच्यते एतैर्विमोहयत्येष
ज्ञानमावृत्य
देहिनम् तस्मात् त्वम् इन्द्रियादौ यम्य भरतर्षभ पाप्मानं प्रजह्येनं ज्ञानविज्ञाननाशनम्.
Perfect.
इन्द्रियाणि
Paranyahu.
इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिः यो बुद्धे
Paratastu saha. Okay, perfect. Madhu, want to tell?
Yes, Mataji. From
Okay.
where?
Arjuna Vacha 36.
Arjuna Vacha. अतकेन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पूरुषम् अनिच्छन्नपि वाष्णेय बलाब इव नियोजितः. श्रीभगवानुवाच काम एष क्रोध एष रजोगुणसमुद्भवः Mahashano Mahapapma Vidyena Iha Vaidinam Dhur
Dhumena.
Dhumena Vritevane Yata Darsho Malena Cha Yatolvina Vrito Garbhan Tatati Nidamavritam Avritam Jnana Etena Jnanino Nityavairina Mahashan Kamarupena Kaunteya Dushmurena Nalena Cha
Indriyani.
Indriyani Mano Buddhir
Asyadishtanam.
Asyadishtanam Uchyate Etaiva Mohayatyesha Jnana Avritya Dehinam
Tasmatvam.
Tasmatvam Indriyanyadau Niyamya Bharatarshabha Papanam Prajahiyenam Jnana Vijnana Nashanam Indriyani Paranyahur
Indriyebhya
Param Manaha Mahashano
Manasastu
Manasastu Param Buddhir
Yo Buddhe Paratastu Saha. Okay, very good. Yes. Already drawing is ready for us.
Yes.
Show it. You have to bring closer. Okay, there's an elephant, the elephant driver, and the minister, and the king. Very good. Thank you. 4 only is there above the king. You have to draw Krishna, 5th person.
Oh, the 5th is Krishna.
Okay, was there. Okay, fine. Perfect. Got it. Thank you, Jaswati, for showing the drawing. All are you happy? Hearing the story? Yes. Okay. Remember the stories. Make a small drawing. And we'll meet on Friday, which will be our last session for chapter 3. Then we are finishing the chapter 3.
You mean then the whole is finished?
Huh?
You mean then the whole is finished?
Yeah, we finished chapter 3. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3.
I'm saying, is the whole Gita finished?
No, we are chapter 18 to go. Now only we went chapter 3. There are how many more chapters? We completed 3 chapters in 18 chapter. How many more chapters are there? 15. Good in maths. Okay, Madhav is very good in maths. Thank you. Very good. Yeah, so we go on. Okay, we'll slowly go on. Other chapters has very less shlokas. After 4th chapter, we have very easy chapters also. Okay.
Mataji.
Yes, Madhav.
The 43rd shloka will be on Monday. The 43rd shloka
Friday, I'm sorry. Okay, I thought today is Monday. Yeah, we have Friday. Today is Friday, so Monday we'll have the last session. Thank you.
There are 15 more shlokas.
For?
No, 15 more shlokas.
50 more.
15.
15. No, we are in 42 today. So 1 shloka to go. 43.
43.
Yes. Okay, keep on practicing. Some of you already told 35 shlokas. So already done. We'll do the last 10 shlokas. So not done. Right? You already recited that day, right? Many of you recited 35 shlokas together. So we'll do last 10, right? If you want to tell all the 43, I don't have problem. You can do. Okay? Fine? Okay, we'll chant one Hare Krishna mantra, everyone together. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you. Hare Krishna, all of you. We'll meet on Monday.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna.
Mataji,
Hare
bye.
Krishna, Madhav. Good night, Madhav. Bye.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prem Bhakti. Hare Krishna, Braj Kishore. Hare Krishna, Urjaswati. Bye bye.
Should we leave the meeting now?
Yes, we are finished. Bye.